Today I'm about to show y'all how to repair a Dodge Magnum dashboard. And if you've been following me before, y'all know this is not my first time repairing a dash. And I'm about to show y'all this common issue for the Dodge Magnum and the Chargers. Hold on, let me get in the car. As y'all can see, the heat vent is not sitting flush at all with the dash. And that's on both sides. And I'm about to tell y'all the reason for this. The heat hitting the dash. So it's separating the dash pad from the dashboard. I'm about to show y'all what y'all need to fix it. It's this Gorilla Glue. As y'all can see, it say binds virtually everything. Y'all gonna need these small little clips right here. And it's gonna bind the dash pad to the dashboard. All right, let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start with the passenger side first. As you can see. Let me open this door so we can get it on this other angle. But it's my thing. I'm gonna start on this side first. Then I'm gonna work myself around. Y'all see the gap getting bigger. See it's small right here. And then start opening up. All right, the only downfall with this glue is there's no way just to squeeze it out. So what I'm about to do next, don't judge me. Do it your own way. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. As y'all can see, man, I just put a MacGyver move, man. Just made something out of nothing. Because you don't have every tool or every object at your house. So I'm just using this plastic knife right here. I'm about to put it in this small little groove. I'm gonna put my clips on. And I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, as y'all see, I got my clips on here. And I kind of jumped the gun on this side. But it's all right though. It's sitting down better than what it was. But as this side dry up, I'm gonna transfer these clips to this top part. I'm gonna follow that same step I did to this side over here. All right, I'm gonna get back to y'all once it get done drying. All right, this for the people that probably wondering why I don't drop videos consistently. And this is why. This Michigan weather is bipolar. Y'all can see the snow. Y'all probably can see it better on this side. But when I first started this video, it was clear out here. So this slowed my process down for me doing what I have to do. But let me show y'all this. I don't want to get the rambling on. Y'all see how this side is sitting down? Now we're gonna follow the same steps I did on this side. We're gonna do it all the way around. So we're gonna put it right here. So as I put the clips on and everything, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Now we got the clips on here. This how we looking, man. Y'all see? Y'all can't see any gaps. Let me try to get it a little closer. But you can't see it. But I'm just giving y'all the step-by-step of everything I'm doing. Because these videos don't show you the whole process. And I'm giving y'all the whole process. But anyway, I'm waiting for Amazon to pull up so I can get some new heat vent covers. See, these small clips are broke off from the previous owner on the driver's side and the passenger side. And they like $15. So I feel like you repairing the dash, man, go ahead and spend the extra money to make the dash complete. All right, can y'all tell the difference? Which one new and which one old? Can y'all? All right, let me show y'all. These are the new ones. Y'all see the clips? And these are the old ones. And I thought I spent $15 on these, but I only spent $7.99. So $8, man. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. When you doing these, fixing these cars up, man, do not be cheap on doing it. You're gonna regret it. But we're gonna let this dry up. We're gonna work on this side. So once that dry up, I'm gonna show y'all how it look. You're gonna come over to this side. All right, I'm gonna give it a couple more hours. All right, I'm still letting this side dry. And the reason why I didn't do both sides at the same time, I use this side as trial and error. Meaning, whatever mistakes I did on this side right here, I would not be doing on this side. I'm about to get started on this side. I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, I started this side, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight. I'm gonna start that side. All right, this the next day and this how we looking. And don't worry about the extra glue. You can peel that up. But now I gotta do these other two corners and I'll be done with this side. As y'all can see, y'all probably can't see this side. There we go right there. And now, let me show y'all the driver's side. So we got this down. Now we gotta do this. Gonna do the other three corners. But I'm gonna speed this process up. I'm gonna go ahead and glue everything down. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all so y'all can see the end result. All right, this how we looking. We have all the corners glued down. Now it's time to put the vent on. All right, now we got the vent cover on. Look how flush it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side, man. All right, we're on the driver's side. We got every corner glued down. Open the car, you can see it. I see every corner glued down. Let me try to get in here. So I just show y'all how to repair it. Yo, Dodge Magnum, Charger, and 300C dash. If y'all like this video, man, like, subscribe. The only thing I gotta do is put this vent on. I'm about to show y'all how it looks once I put the vent on. All right, now I got the driver's side vent on, and this how we looking, man. And this my only problem I have right here. That small gap. And before I put the vent on, I showed y'all every corner was glued down. But as y'all know, once y'all get a replacement part, it do not fit exactly the same as the OEM part. But other than that, man, I have no complaints, man. It look way better, 10 times better than what it did before. But if I helped y'all out in this video, man, subscribe to me. Get me up to 500 subscribers, man. That's all I want.